we need to prepare for interviews. We need to understand how to do preparations. So let's understand interviews first. As I have already stated this, that it is not a test of knowledge. Unlike Viva, questions and answers will invariably be the same, right? It is going to be a question answer round, unlike Viva. Now, let's talk about the dissimilarities. How is it unlike Viva? In Viva, it is simple test of knowledge, whatever you have studied. Whereas, it is a test of personality, means if you have not worked on 360-degree, right, whatever you have mentioned, if you have not mentioned on 360-degree in and around that particular stuff, then it would be difficult to sail through. Similarly, if you have prepared on 360-degree, if you have worked on the complete paraphernalia, you will certainly sail through. Okay? So, it's about being sure of what I am mentioning in my resume. It's about being sure of whatever I have mentioned. I need to be sure of it, plus I need to prepare at the same time. Preparations also matter a lot, right? If I have worked on those things which I have mentioned, I'll certainly be able to prepare FAQs in and around it, frequently asked questions in and around it. And thus, it would be very easy for me to direct the entire interview towards my area of strength, and I'll sail through in the end. What did you understand? It is going to be purely in my hands. Interview is going to be controlled by whom? I have to control. Okay? Please scan this on the back of your mind. The sooner you understand, the better it is for you. It is not a rejection round. It is a selection round. Rejection round has already taken place. Right? They have gone through your resume. They have conducted aptitude test. If they have not conducted aptitude test, then they are satisfied with your knowledge. They have conducted writing ability test. Even if that has not been included, then like something or other they have already done to test your knowledge skills, right? They are already satisfied. If they are calling you for the interview, that means they are satisfied with your knowledge, right? So they are there to select you. Now, the problem is, we need to understand where exactly the problem lies. Where exactly the problem lies? That I have to give them enough of reasons to get selected. If I am not able to do so, then only I will fail, otherwise I will never fail. Right? So if I am giving them enough reasons to get selected, I will sail through. Okay, so it's going to be a selection round. Please understand, they are not interested in rejecting you. If you are giving them reasons to reject you, then only you will get rejected. Okay.